Romance should be going beautifully for you today, Taurus. Your romantic partner looks especially attractive and probably is in a great mood. You might decide to attend a lecture together or plan a weekend getaway. Communication between you is open, honest, supportive, and loving. Don't let this day pass you by. Make sure you get together if possible. This could end up being a day to remember. Subscribe to our channel and get your daily horoscope tomorrow to find out what the next day holds for you.